Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is a very special day for me because I am going to share with you a bag that has been my dream bag for years. I am so excited. I can't even believe it, and I am over the moon, like they say in all of the videos, with what I have right here. Okay, let's go ahead and show you the box. From the title of this video, you already know this is a petite Malle, and I have been wanting this bag for so long. However, I wanted it to be special. I wanted it to be different. I did not want the traditional petite Malle, although very beautiful, and I admire it on very many YouTubers and other people that I have seen that own it. I wanted a different one, and I have waited and looked and made my client advisor a little crazy. But when I saw a photo of this one, I said, it was not even a good photo. I said, ugh, I think it's this. And then, as luck has it, they got it in. Let me go ahead and get on with the unboxing, and then I'll share how I got it, because it is not on the website right now. Again, the beautiful new ribbon with the white lettering, and let us begin. I have to tell you, I am super excited. If you're new to my channel, my name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy the video, and if you do, please consider clicking the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much. I am excited that you are here. Oh my gosh, he put a note. So this is what the packaging looks like. If you know me, I live for details. Isabel, I hope you enjoy this exceptional addition to your LV collection. Okay, here we go. Well, I'm hoping not to destroy this, which I usually do. This is what's inside the box. We'll leave this for last. Okay. Here she is. And I can tell you that I don't have much information. I don't have any information. I do have the style number, and I'll put it down below. But this is called the Petite Malle NV Sequined Silver. And here she is. I have no words. Look at this. It is beautiful. Silver color leather. It has the gold hardware, which is great. And then it has sequins all over. And it has a shift, pinky purpley shift. I have no words. close-up. And I am, I love it. I absolutely love it. This may not be for everyone, but it certainly is for me. Love the details, just like the trunks. Let's open her up. Oh my goodness. And there's the inside. Now let's see what this says. See if we can get some more information on this beauty. Let me set her over here. Fortunately, you can't see her now, but it says Louis Vuitton exterior, sequin embroidered satin and cowhide, interior sheepskin trim cowhide. And then we have the product code right here. And I will go ahead and put that down below. Here she is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. And of course, she comes with the strap, which is all silver with gold hardware. And of course, it is a removable strap, and it is an adjustable strap. Wow. Has the LV right there, and it's a slim strap. So pretty. And let me just give you another look. And yeah, this is it. This is my Petit Malle that I have been waiting for since like 2016. Worth the wait, in my opinion. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You can see the LV and the, there you go, the LV monogram and the flowers. Oh my, just stunning. And I love all of the details, just like the trunks. Oh my goodness, it's just gorgeous. And yes, my cell phone does fit in here. I will do a what fits in my bag. I will do mod shots in another video, but right now I just wanted to share this with you. I think she was the only one in the country when I purchased her, and I just purchased her yesterday, but I believe that they are going to get more in. So anyway, thank you so much for sharing this moment with me. I am super excited, and we'll see you soon. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.